My name is Xander Froger, and this is how to send packages using the OfficeMax Secure File Transfer site. I've already logged into the site in Internet Explorer, and I'm getting ready to send a package. Packages are intended to be used for sending a document or file from one person to another, or from one person to many people. They're intended so that one sales rep could easily send a document to another sales rep. At this time, we are asking that account managers and customers do not use the package sending feature to send documents or files to stores or production centers. Let's go ahead and get started. I can either select packages from the list on the left or send a new package from the items at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and select packages from the list on the left. While it looks a lot like email, it should not be confused with email. It is a package function limited only to this application for sharing documents. It is important to take note that the packages are not intended to be used for submitting documents or files to stores or production centers. It is only intended for sales or account managers to send documents amongst themselves or to other users in the Impress directory. It is also not intended for customers to submit documents to the stores or production centers. Customers should put documents in their own folder and then send a follow-up email letting the store or production center know that the file is there. There are some caveats to the packages function that make it difficult for production centers and stores to work with. To send a package, we select Send a New Package. Now we need to designate who we want the package to go to. Keep in mind it can only go to other users who have access and credentials to log into the site. To see a directory, you can click on the To, and it'll bring up a directory. I want this to go to Gina Ferrante, so I'm going to type her name in, and you can see it comes up. To send it to her, I'll select her and say OK. Now her name is added in the To field. I'll go ahead and put in the subject line. And I can also put in notes. Now we can begin to upload the document or file that we want to send with the package. To do that, I can click to launch the Upload Download wizard, or if the wizard is not loaded, an upload button will be in its place. I'm going to go ahead and launch the wizard. The standard wizard comes up, and using the same process as we do for putting files onto the site, I'm going to go ahead and attach documents to the package. I'll select one file and select another file. That looks good. I'll go ahead and follow through, next, using the defaults. Files are now uploaded. I'll say OK, and you can see now that they've been attached to the document. When I click Send, it'll send a notification to Gina's email letting her know that she has a package on the site ready for her to view. It'll also provide a link for her to click so that she can log into the site to view the package. Keep in mind that the notification she receives will not have the notes in it. It will only have the subject line and a little bit of information about the files that are in the package for her to download. She can only view those after logging in to the site. Let's go ahead and click Send. When she logs into the site, she'll see that she has a new package in her inbox. She can then click on the inbox to view the package and download the files. That concludes how to send a package for OfficeMax's SFTP site. Thank you.